Oh shit. Oh. Oh shit.
need to unwind.
Hello,
I've got a
John
job
Marina,
for any
Marina.
fisherman who got time.
Adelaide Drumbman has a bit of a pistol. She's got the means to wage a one-woman war on Eden's Gate. Just the kind of person we could use right now.
Good job clearing out
See
the
about
marina.
lending her a
I got a
hand,
challenge
Rob.
for you, if you're up for it. There's this giant albino fish that swims around the marina. Locals call him Ragnar the Terrible. People have been trying to catch old Ragnar for ages, but he's damn stubborn. He likes to hang out by that little island over yonder. It'd be good for morale if someone finally caught him. I think you might have what it takes.
Got the same rule as my man. Nobody touches the stick except me.
Heard what you did at the prison, yo.
Adelaide Drumbman,
Right on.
pleased to make your acquaintance. Appreciate all your help getting my marina
Jeez,
back, but
brilliant.
honey, I got a problem. Those Peggy shipbirds stole my tulip. She's the nimblest goddamn helicopter this side of Montana, and I'll be goddamned if those fuck trumpets are gonna take her from me. I won that bird in my divorce fair and square. The walking erectile dysfunction who took her painted her that awful shade of Peggy mayonnaise. So the only way you'll be able to find her is to ID the pilot. Should be easy to spot him. The only other birds around the area are flown by women. We all used to fly together on weekends, but that friendship went tits up after those thunder cunts joined Eden's Gate. So I got no problem if you accidentally shoot them in their disloyal faces. How about it, honey? You help me, and Tulip and I'll show up wherever and whenever you need us.
Thanks for helping out my county jail, buds.
Heard a rumor that there's a cougar roaming the forest near Mabel's taxidermy. Wouldn't surprise me if that crazy old lady had trained you to hunt piggies.
History in the West Cape.
These mountains are home to Eli and his whitetail militia. Now, they're heavily armed and wary of outsiders. Just my kind of people, huh? But I haven't heard anything from Eli in days. So I expect they're already at war with Jacob Seed. The only message I did get was from my niece, Jess. She said the cult had turned the lumber mill into a prison camp. Maybe you can start there.
She's a pistol. Oh,